We're here at Collegetown Center to take a look at studio apartment 301. Let's go on in. This is a south rectangle style apartment. We're on the 3rd floor of the 6th floor building. We'll enter. The kitchen is on our right. You can see the refrigerator, dishwasher, sink, microwave, stove, oven. There's some cabinets and drawers. As we go into the apartment, the closet will be on our right-hand side. Let's get a look in there. So we've got some closets for your hanging space and your storage here. That's a nice wide closet. Let's take a look at the bathroom. That's over on the left side. As we go through, you can see there's the kitchen we just came in. Okay, here's the bathroom. The bathroom is the same items in all of the apartments. The standing tub shower, the vanity, the toilet, and there's a medicine cabinet over on the right. The furnishings in the apartments will always be the dresser, desk and chair, full-size bed, a dining table, there's a bookshelf. Let's go on over towards the window. Since we are on the south side of the building, this is the side away from Dryden Road. We are brighter, especially in the afternoons. You definitely get more sunlight on this south side. So it's nice, bright afternoon sun. So that's a look at studio apartment 301 here at Collegetown Center on the south side of the building. We're about in the middle of the floor, in the middle of the building. Collegetown Center is located at 151 Dryden Road, here right in central Collegetown, and we are just 1 block from campus.